everybody and welcome to my channel. So today I got my first mystery box from the Spellbound Society, and look how beautiful the box is. So let's cut it open. It's a bit of a shame to cut through this nice tape and see what's inside. So all these things are illustrated and designed by Rachel Johnson. Ooh, a little free gift. I don't like, I like to keep the stickers because I've got other stuff from her before, and I keep all the stickers for my journal. Oh, look. It's a little cute owl, and it's a magnet. How cute is that? I'll put that over there. Oh, and it's in information, box contents. Alright, let's have a look. Oh, look, that's so cute. I don't want to tear it. Wow, look at this. Let's take this out first. Oh, I'll move that over there. How beautiful is this? Oh, it's got things inside. It's got a little key ring. And, oh, some washi tape. Cool, I always like washi tape. And another little owl, and what's in here? Oh, R and C, so what is this? A decorative little... This is obviously something you make up because that's an empty jar. Oh, I don't want... Okay, spell kit for prosperity and growth. Moon water bottle. Oh yes, okay, so maybe we do open it. Oh, look at that. Moon water, that's pretty, isn't it? And then these have got rose petals, calendula petals. No, that's not it. Water bottle, yeah, okay. Rose petals, calendula, a tea light, and a spell card. The bag has a wooden charm. Oh, has it got? Oh yeah, there's the tea light, but it doesn't have any instructions. Maybe it's in one of those. I don't want to open those, so I'm just going to put that back in there so it doesn't break. With a little tea light. That's cute. I like that. What else have we got? This is a berries and vanilla spray. Oh yeah. Nice. And there's a little sprayer thing that goes in it. Another little sticker, which I keep. And this is a badger. Just a hand-drawn badger reading in his cozy home. So this is illustrated and designed by Rachel Johnson. Exclusive to the Spellbound Society mystery box. Just there you go. Look at that. Isn't that cute? Oh my gosh, I love this box. Oh, that is the spell for the things that are in this little box here. Right over there. Some stickers. Oh, I always love stickers. And a notepad. And that's my dog barking because there's people outside looking at the car. So quickly doing this while they're outside inspecting the car. So a lovely notepad. Oh, and this is the moon phases. Oh, how beautiful is that? Oh, I'm just going to have to roll that up the other way so I can stick it on my wall. I absolutely love this little box. How beautiful. What do you guys think? I've never had one of these before. I love this. I love this. I think this is absolutely beautiful. You get little grimoire pages with all the contents in. Forest stickers, mushroom planchette, yep. Moon phase post, spell for prosperity and growth, decorative little box of magic. And then what all the animals are. So this quick little video. Thanks everyone for joining me. I hope you like this little box. And until next time, many blessings everyone and merry part. I'll put the link. This is an Australian company, so I will put the link in the description below. Thanks for now. Bye.